If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Bitcoin update. Today is going to be Thursday and I have been struggling with some technical issues. The Discord link is gone right now and we are looking at Bitcoin trading again at 17,654. Okay, so first of all, let's bring in the RSI, and I want to show you the RSI on the 1 hour time frame, not 15 minutes time frame. And we have the RSI trading like this one, and if you see very clearly, unfortunately, when I said this on the Signal channel, and some people did join, some people didn't join, but I'm really glad that the mature and the open-minded people who understand how investing and trading really works and it's not a quick scheme pyramid to get rich, join the Discord, and I appreciate those people. It's really fun there. Anyways, now it doesn't take you to be a genius to see that the prices moved higher and the RSI here moved lower. So that known as an RSI divergences, because there's a divergence, there's a mismatch between the prices right there and the prices right over here, and we can actually say that nothing is looking super good to go to the upside. And by the way, we are at the 4 hour time frame at the moment, and we could have a potential small little bit of a supply zone right here. So we have basically three things that makes it bearish right now. So number one was the RSI on the 1 hour time frame having a bearish divergence. Number two is if you look on the 4 hour time frame, we do have an evening star, very clear evening star right on next to this support, resistance actually. So you are making an evening star at the resistance, and that actually makes it a problem number two and the problem number three. And finally, the problem, I want to put it out there, is going to be the box of supply zone. So if I actually take out that rectangle here and I want to drop that one rectangle right over there. Now this is a supply zone. The reason why it's a supply zone is because anytime you came up to this level, you got rejected. So this was the first time you got rejected, went down, went up again, got rejected, came down, went up here again, came down, and now you try to go back here, came down, go back there, came down. Now if you do end up managing breaking it upside and back testing and passing the retest above it, then the next zone of supply is going to be where? It's going to be actually up right here at 18,552. And this is going to be the next big level that you're going to be looking to take out. But it's a big challenge right now for Bitcoin to get above here out of that supply zone. So that's pretty much it right now. This is Thursday. We're gonna go to Fridays and Saturdays. Things are really looking safe out there in the market, and I don't like when they feel safe. I like it when they actually feel red, bloody, and scary. That's when I actually like to invest. So hope you enjoyed this Bitcoin update today on a 1st December. The monthly has opened up, and by the way, before I close the video, let's look at the monthly time frame. And we're looking at the monthly time frame. Did it actually complete the week culture? All right, let's see. Did you really complete the week culture? I don't think it actually made that kind of a wick. I'm expecting wicks like this one before we move lower. So maybe there could be chances of Bitcoin trying to move up to 18,300, but there's not any pattern for me to say that yet. But we can end up making no wicks at all and just dump from here and take out this low, continue lower, and by this month you can even see Bitcoin at 12,000. If not this month, next month we see Bitcoin down to $12,000, which is your technical target, and then you have a technical target down there. So that's pretty much it. Three reasons for why in the short term we might be looking for the correction in the next coming days, and let's see what happens after the weekends are over by next week as well. That's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.